Nobody paying you no attention, Paris. Hmm? Huh? Nobody paying you no attention. People sleepy. And they tired. You like your little rattle? You like it? Now you just dropped it again. I'm trying to help you maneuver. See? Go up. Yeah, that baby's smart. You go down. Go up. Go side. Yeah. Go round. Come on over here. Go up. Go down. Go up. Yeah. This is what the baby's supposed to be doing at the age of almost 3 months. And try to grab it. Now try to grab it. Yeah, try to grab it. Try to grab it. Try to grab it. Come on now. You can do it. I see that hand coming up. Grab it. Come on. Come on. Come on. I'm going to help you out. Come on. Come on. Yeah. Grandbaby. My grandbaby ain't going to be slow. She on time. Smart baby.